Alright, ladies and gents, here we are at Boston Lake. I'm filling in for the GOAT himself, Danny Morgan. We're fishing with Little Daniel, the Hudson Valley Bass Anglers. They're sitting good in the points, so let's hope me and Daniel go crack 20 pounds.
We will
keep this money rolling. So we'll give it our best. We'll see. A lot of heavy sticks out here. Let's do this.
Holy crap. I told us they want to take a ride.
Yep.
Maybe.
Good. Get him down. Fish number 1, 4-pounder.
Wait, does it do it every time it wakes up?
Every morning.
Like, I didn't get it at the same time every day.
Keep him up, keep him up.
Okay.
You get off?
Yeah.
It wasn't that big, right?
No.
Would
Probably,
it have been a keeper?
yeah. Probably about, like, I don't know, a little over. Did you get from a bite? Well, did you get the hook in it?
No.
Oh my god.
Right here. That's why I mentioned the first one. I got big ones.
Is he keeping?
Oh, where's the board? Yeah, he's a keeper. I won't even weigh him or nothing.
No. Because he's definitely going to be our smallest.
Probably why I missed him the first time, Daniel.
I didn't put him on this side, so yeah.
Yeah.